The journey of premium garlic paste begins here, across thousands of acres of fertile soil.
Cultivated with precision, these bulbs are monitored daily to ensure optimal flavor intensity.
Agronomists inspect the crop maturity, ensuring only the finest bulbs enter the supply chain.
When peak maturity is reached, industrial harvesters collect the garlic with remarkable efficiency.
The mechanical separation process begins immediately, removing soil while preserving the bulb's integrity. Tons of raw garlic are aggregated rapidly to minimize exposure and maintain freshness. Sorted and crated, the harvest is prepared for immediate transport to the processing plant. Logistics networks ensure a steady stream of raw material reaches the facility around the clock. Upon arrival, the cargo is logged and inspected before entering the production zone.
The raw garlic is introduced into the automated line via high-capacity receiving hoppers.
Conveyor systems transport the bulbs to the initial cleaning and separation stages.
Specialized breakers separate the cloves, preparing them for the intricate peeling process. Air filtration systems immediately begin removing the loose skins and stems from the flow. Pneumatic jets strip the remaining skins without applying heat or water, preserving flavor. The result is a stream of pristine, peeled cloves ready for thorough sanitation. Manual inspection stations serve as a critical checkpoint to remove any imperfect cloves. The cloves enter a multi-stage washing tunnel to eliminate any surface impurities or dust. High-pressure water jets ensure every crevice is cleaned before processing begins.
Air knives remove excess moisture, critical for maintaining the correct paste consistency.
The clean cloves are now fed into the primary crushing units.
Heavy-duty blades break down the cellular structure, releasing the potent garlic oils.
This coarse mash travels via screw conveyors to the secondary mixing tanks.
In these large holding tanks, the mash is prepared for ingredient incorporation.
Digital systems monitor the precise weight and flow of the garlic mash.
Slow agitation keeps the mixture homogeneous while additives are prepared. Precise amounts of salt and oil are injected to act as natural preservatives.
The oil emulsion protects the garlic from oxidation and enhances the texture.
Acidity regulators are added to stabilize the pH levels for food safety.
The mixture is blended for a set cycle to ensure complete ingredient integration.
Once the batch is certified consistent, it moves to the refining stage. The colloid mill is the heart of the refining process, shearing particles to microns. High-speed rotors pulverize the garlic fibers into a perfectly smooth, creamy paste.
The result is a viscous, uniform paste with a luxurious texture. To ensure sterility, the paste flows through a continuous thermal processing unit. Temperatures are raised briefly to eliminate pathogens while preserving the raw garlic profile. Rapid cooling immediately follows to lock in the color and fresh aroma.
The finished paste is held in buffer tanks, ready for final quality checks.
The production line now shifts to high-speed automated packaging.
Glass jars are sterilized and air cleaned immediately before the filling station. Rotary fillers synchronize perfectly with the moving line to maximize throughput. Volumetric pistons dispense the exact weight of paste into every jar without spillage. Automated cappers apply and torque the lids to a precise specification. Induction sealers bond a foil liner to the rim, creating a hermetic safety seal. Robotic handling systems manage the flow, reducing human contact and increasing speed. These systems operate with sub-millimeter precision, ensuring continuous line operation. The sealed jars pass through a cooling tunnel to stabilize the product temperature.
In the quality control lab, science ensures the consistency of every batch.
Viscosity tests confirm the texture meets the strict standards for spreadability.
pH levels are rigorously checked to guarantee shelf stability and safety.
Microscopic analysis verifies the emulsion stability and particle size distribution.
Accelerated aging tests ensure the product remains fresh for months on the shelf.
Data from every stage is reviewed before the batch is released for labeling.
Back on the line, high-speed applicators wrap the jars in their branding.
Optical sensors verify that every label is placed with perfect alignment. Laser coders etch production data onto each unit for total traceability.
Automated case packers group the jars and load them into shipping cartons.
Cartons are sealed, weighed, and labeled for inventory management. Robotic palletizers stack the cartons with geometric efficiency for stability. Stretch wrapping secures the load, protecting the product during transit.
The finished pallets enter the massive logistics center, ready for distribution.
Efficient warehousing systems manage inventory turnover and shipment schedules. Finally, the product is loaded onto fleets of trucks destined for global markets.
From raw bulb to sealed jar, the process is a triumph of industrial engineering. Delivering the convenient, bold flavor of fresh garlic to kitchens around the world.